Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And guys, I'm standing on board a trade-in Sea Ray 270. Now, we've been number one in the entire world for Sea Ray a number of times recently, and it's boats like this that make that possible. Guys, this is a boat that we absolutely adore, and a trade-in means it's a lot less than a brand new one, so check it out. At the back, you've got a Mercury 350 horsepower i6. Guys, we have loved that motor for years. It is incredibly quiet. In fact, it's running right now. You've got a beautiful swim platform, ski tow there as well as over my head. This is a Horizon exterior boat with an ivory or white interior. Gray flooring throughout and all the options you need. You've got tables, you've got a battery charger, of course the water sports tower over my head. You've got a vacuum flush head and head interior upgrade. You've got the largest GPS available. You've got premium audio. And guys, even forward in the boat, you've got that bow table that goes here, that stainless windlass, which is a huge option for us. This boat even has some of the LED lighting packages. There's really not much to complain about when it comes to this boat. In fact, you should probably make it a point to get to Sarasota and check this out. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and this is our 2020 Sea Ray 270 Outboard.